Hey folks, welcome back to another Throw It On Thursday. You know, it's getting to be that time of year. Football playoffs and the big game is coming up. So I thought for today's Throw It On Thursday, we're going to make some finger food, some appetizers for those football parties we're going to have. Or if you're not into football, just another party you need to bring something to. Today, I'm going to take a couple racks of ribs and make what I call Smoky Rib Bites. I think they're going to turn out pretty good. Nice, small little finger food, smoky rib bits. I'd eat that at a party. Get them out of the package first. And I'm going to rinse them off in my sink. You do you, but I'm going to take the membrane off the back of these ribs. I always take a paper towel, grab the end, and just pull. The trick sometimes is getting that started. Like I am having a problem this time, but we'll get it off. I used to work at a restaurant and we served a lot of ribs. I always gave this job to the newest kid in the kitchen. Okay, there we go. All demembraned. I'll do the other one now. Now I'm taking that off because I want these rib bites to be as easy to eat as possible. If it only takes a couple minutes to get it off, I think it's worth it. I'm going to be cooking these ribs a bit differently than I'd normally cook smoked ribs. I'm going to start them in the oven and cook them till they're done and tender. And then we're going to put them on the smoker. You'll see what I mean. I put the ribs on a sheet pan. I'm going to put a light coating of some sort of rub. Today I'm going to use this Famous Dave's rib rub. Use any rib rub you have, but we're not going to put a lot of this on. First the back. Flip them over. And now the top. Even that out just a bit. Wash your hands good. Now a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar right in the bottom of the pan. What that apple cider vinegar is going to do is heat up and steam these ribs. When these ribs come out of the oven, they're going to be done. As a matter of fact, they're going to be so done, we're going to be able to remove the bones. But they're going to be ugly. I'll warn you about that right now. But that's okay. We are then going to put these on the smoker and finish them, and they're going to be great. Now, some aluminum foil. Cover the ribs very tightly. We don't want any of that steam to escape. Okay, time to put these in the oven. The oven is set to 350. I have my timer set to 1.5 hours. When this goes off, we'll be back. Time is up. Need to be careful at this point. This is going to be screaming hot. Got to be careful. As I said, those aren't the prettiest ribs. They're kind of ugly actually. But they are done and they are so tender. I'm going to give this about 10 minutes and let them cool off just a bit because we're going to be removing all those bones. Several of the bones look like they're already starting to pop out. These bones are going to be easy to remove. Okay, now I'm just going to start pulling the bones out. As I mentioned, this is going to be finger food, so we don't want people having to deal with bones if they're just going to be eating this with a little toothpick in it. Ooh, too bad there's a little meat left there. I might have to taste that. Mmm, very good. Okay, the first rack is deboned. Time to do the second one. And now the second one is done. This one fell apart a little more than the other one. It's quite tender. The smoker is all heated up to 180 degrees. We're going to smoke this nice and low. That's because I want to get a lot of smoke on these ribs in a short amount of time. We're only going to have this on the smoker for maybe an hour. I am going to coat this with barbecue sauce. Today I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. Please use whatever you like the best. This is mass produced and it's pretty tasty. If you have a specialty barbecue sauce you like, I'd say go with that. But we're going to put quite a bit on. If you can, get the sauce in between where those bones used to be. All right, now time to sauce the other side. We are going to leave this on my pellet smoker for, like I said, probably about an hour. I want this sauce to set up a bit, get real tacky, and seep into the meat a bit. We're going to leave those ribs on the smoker for about an hour. I have it set to 180, so it's nice and low. That sauce is going to firm up, get nice and tacky, and seep into that meat a bit. It's going to be so good. After about an hour, I'm going to take it inside and cut that into bite-sized pieces. I bet you wish you were here right now. An hour later. All right, I am now going to be cutting these into little bite-sized pieces, about the size that you would use a toothpick to pick and eat. So maybe thirds. It is definitely time to try one of these smoky rib bites. Let's see, this looks like a good one. I don't even know why I'm tasting this. I know it's going to be great. This is going to be a hit. So the method I used to roast those ribs in the oven, I got from Sam the Cooking Guy. He does a version of that where he actually puts the ribs on a grill afterwards. I've made ribs a few times like that, and they are great. Saves you the 6 hours you might have to put it on the smoker for. Of course, really good smoked ribs. Can't beat that any day of the week. This little appetizer I'm going to be bringing to a party that we got invited to. I have it in a nice dish I can reheat right before I go to the party, and I think they're going to have some hot trays there. Keep it nice and warm. I have a question for you. If you wouldn't mind answering in the comments, I'd appreciate it. When you get invited to parties and you're expected to bring some sort of dish to pass, an appetizer, what's your go-to appetizer? I've actually never brought these smoky rib bites before. I'm sort of curious to see how they're going to go over. I'm also bringing some special meatballs. One of the OG members of the Rob Mob gave me that recipe, and I think I'm going to give it a try. So Ken, the next video, we'll be making your meatballs. I think it's pretty safe to say I had a good day today. I am wearing a Packer shirt. I'm pretty sure they're not going to be making it to the Super Bowl this year. Let's see if they make it to the playoffs. I hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time. I have to get me another one of those rib bites. Ooh, a big one.